Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to upscale video quality on Android. Video upscaling can be done easily using apps or websites, allowing you to remaster videos or turn them into personalized live wallpapers. And here's a simple, beginner-friendly guide using one of the best apps for upscaling on Android and a website. First is to unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Search for Remini AI Video Enhancer. Tap the Install button and wait for the app to download. Open Remini after installation. Make sure to sign in or allow the required permissions. On the home screen, tap the All Tools, then tap Enhance Video. Then choose the video you want to upscale from your gallery, then hit Done. Choose the Video Enhance or HD Enhance option, or if you want a free version, follow these steps instead. Open your web browser, then search for Upscale Video Resolution, then tap on it. Tap on Upload Video, choose your preferred video, then tap on Done. Wait for the upload to complete. Once done, choose the enhancement quality, standard, or HD like 4K. Tap the Start, Enhance, or Apply to begin processing. Wait for the AI to analyze and upscale the video. Tap Save or Export Download to store the enhanced video. Helpful tips: best results come from well-lit videos. Shorter videos process faster. Use Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data usage. Free version may add a watermark. Paid version removes it. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.